OpenClaw Policy is a bundled enterprise conformance layer over existing settings, not a second configuration system. You author requirements in policy.jsonc, and OpenClaw observes the active workspace as evidence. The policy layer reports drift, normal OpenClaw configuration, sandboxing, tool rules, and approvals still determine what happens during an agent run. Policy is explicit. A check runs only when a concrete rule exists under its supported namespace. Unsupported sections or keys fail validation instead of being ignored. That means a short policy is not universal assurance. It is evidence for the requirements you actually authored. Begin with the smallest meaningful baseline, review it, then expand coverage deliberately. The key boundary is enforcement. Policy can report drift through lint and dedicated policy checks, but it does not intercept every tool call or rewrite runtime behavior at request time. Enforce safety with tool policies, sandbox modes, gateway ingress controls, file system boundaries, and execution approvals. Use policy to prove those controls remain configured as intended. Scoped overlays let specific agents or channels require stricter posture without weakening the global baseline. Agent scopes can add tool, workspace, sandbox, memory, or execution approval requirements. Channel scopes can tighten ingress rules. The overlays are additive. The global requirement still runs, and the scoped rule records another finding against the same observed evidence. A clean policy result has documented limits. Data handling checks observe configuration posture, not every log, transcript, memory file, or telemetry export. Secret evidence records provider and reference metadata rather than raw values, and per-agent credential stores are outside policy attestation. Never translate no findings into proof that no sensitive data exists anywhere. Run policy is a control loop. Check the live workspace, compare candidate requirements with the accepted baseline, and watch for stale evidence. An invalid policy file fails explicitly rather than silently passing. Use documented exit codes in automation. Heap repairs review first, then retain the policy, evidence hash, findings, and operator decision as one auditable record.